Hey guys, I don't know if I will already be away when this video goes up. Like, the order in which I'm going to be uploading my videos is a little bit off right now because my head is like here, there and everywhere. I'm not too sure what I'm going to be putting up and when. Like, we'll still have uploads every single day, but I just don't know when this is going to come up. Oh, and also if you're wondering about this ombre lip look, this is going to be on my Musical.ly, which is now called TikTok, which I'll leave linked down below. I'm not too sure if this is going to be up at the same time either, but it will be up at some point. So I don't want to make a whole YouTube video on it, but if you do want me to make a YouTube video on it, just let me know and I'll do it. So I've kind of been thinking about what am I going to be bringing with me to Paris. We're going for a few days, me and the kids. So we're going to be up from early, here, there and everywhere. I'm not going to be looking to do no huge beat, no intricate makeup looks. I'm just looking to put some makeup on my face and get out of the door because we're going to be out from early doors, probably until pretty late, well, until dusk falls, I guess. So for those of you who watch me, you already know that I don't travel with anything that I'm not happy to lose, break or not be able to replace. So if I lose it, if I break it, if I can't replace it, then it's probably something that I shouldn't take with me, especially if I want to make sure that I keep it in my collection. So, and also because I'm only taking this small bag, this little champagnes bag, I need to make sure that everything can fit in here, aside from my brushes, because that will go in like another bag, but my makeup itself needs to be able to fit in this bag, so everything needs to be small enough. Okay, so let's start off with palettes. I was wondering if I should go for this one or the nudes one. It's the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Orange Mini Palette. So this is what this palette looks like. They came out with like 4 or 5 of these mini eyeshadow palettes all in one go. I was not a fan of them, but this one I believe was one of the best ones out of the 4 or 5 that they brought out. So I think that this one's going to be the one I go for. Also, because I'm so used to using these colors, I know that I'll be able to create something very, very quick, very, very simple and easy. I'm not having to rattle my brains. There's like everything from lid shades to crease shades to, you know, everything is there, so I don't need to worry too much about creating some kind of intricate look. I can just put something together real quick. And also I'm going to be using this shade here for my contour. I know you're probably thinking, Sinead, that is such a deep color. It's not as deep as it looks in the pan, and because it's so cool toned, it's definitely the kind of shade that I would need to use on my cheekbones. Also, I'm able to use that, and just if I just put a little bit and build it up, I'll be able to build it to the right level that I want it. Especially as I said, these were not the best. Seeing as they are a little bit on the chalkier side, I know that I'll be able to build it up rather than worrying about, oh my gosh, it's too much on my cheek. So I'm not too worried about this, to be 100% fair. But yeah, that's what I'm going to bring with me for eyeshadow. For highlight, we're going for the Rose Gold Highlighting Powder Palette. And these are kind of blinding. Like, from what I remember, they are kind of blinding. So that's what they look like on the fingers. So they're kind of there. I guess I can build on those. And I'm mainly looking to use the goldy kind of shades. There's not really much to say about these. It's just the fact that the palette is the right sort of size, so it fits in the makeup bag and hopefully it won't let me down while I'm out there. Whatever. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my All Hours YSL, the little sample that I got. I'm using this because I'm only going to be out there for a few days. And again, I just don't have the space to be carrying a whole big bottle of foundation. So this will do me just fine. And I really like this foundation. So there's that. And also with it, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Stick Foundation. I'm still like digging the remainders out of this tube, and it's worth it. It's most definitely worth it. So those two I'm going to be using together. I'll only be using the stick foundation to go over the areas that require just a little bit more coverage, but the all hours should kind of take care of it, but just in case, yeah. For liquid contour, I'm going to be using my Revolution Conceal and Define. I stopped using this for a little while and then I've gone back to using it. I think it's because I'm trying to finish my MAC palette that I have, and I kind of just neglected this, but I've been using it of recent, so I'm going to go back to using that, and that's going to come with me, as well as its sister, the concealer version. I need to get another one of these. I might pick another one up before I leave, because I'm literally at the point where I am just like doing this in the hopes that some of it will get onto the wand. You know how I feel like I've got to use everything that's in the container. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. I absolutely love this. And also I'll be taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, the mini one. I will be taking out of the box, but I've got that as well. I'll be taking my almost finished clean color lip liner in Stone or something. The really deep shade lip liner, and I use it every single day. That's why it's down to the size that it is. And I'll also be carrying my, what is this? Okay, so my NYX soft matte cream, but this doesn't tell me a shade. Has it rubbed off? I don't know what shade this is. If you guys know what shade this is, let me know, but I don't know what shade this is, but it's just gorgeous. And also my Absolute New York Velvet Lippy. I've been using the two of these together, like using this one on the outer and then putting this on the inner, and kind of just mushing my lips together, and it just creates this gorgeous gradient. Like I have just this little bit of peach in the center using this NYX one. It's just so pretty. It's just so pretty, so I might be doing that. But this one is like, this is my ride or die. This is my bae. This is my bae. I can't go without this. Powder, of course, I'm going to be taking my Revolution Luxury Banana Powder, and also my Miss Cheek Apricot Blush. Like this is, oh god, this is like a gorgeous blush that I just have to have. Ugh. I'm not traveling with a primer. I haven't been using primer since it's become really warm. I just feel like I don't need the extra layer, and my foundation has been sitting on my face just fine without the primer, so I'm not going to be carrying a primer. Is there anything else I'm forgetting? Lashes. I will be bringing a pair of lashes, but I'm going to take them, I'm going to be wearing them with me. I'm going to be wearing them on me to go to Paris, but I haven't decided which ones I'm going to wear, but I'm just going to like pick out a pair. I'm not going to bring a fixing spray. I can't be bothered with all of that. That's just additional space that I cannot be bothered to spare. And of course, as I mentioned before, all of my brushes, but that's going to be separate. And you've seen my brushes before. It's just my Peach and Pearl brushes and a couple of my contour brushes and stuff like that. So yeah, that's that. So I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I just can't put my finger on it. It might come to me later. I am not 100% sure right now. Like I'm looking at my makeup collection, I'm like, what am I missing? I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, my brow. Duh. I'm gonna be bringing my brow pencil as well. Like how awkward would that be if I just didn't have no brow pencil? Lord have mercy. Okay, so I'm gonna be bringing the same L'Oreal brow pencil as well, and I do believe that's it. And this is separate from like moisturizer and all of that stuff. That's like all separate. Anyway, so I will be making a short vlog of me and the boys in Paris. We will be doing Euro Disney. They are so excited, so excited to meet Mickey and all the rest of them, and just to spend all mummy's money and the joys. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.